A 250-volt DC shunt motor runs at 1000 RPM while taking a current of 25 amperes. Calculate the speed when the load current is 50 amperes if the armature reaction weakens the field by 3%. Determine torques in both cases. R sub A is equal to 0.2 ohms and R sub F is equal to 250 ohms. The voltage drop per brush is 1 volt. So to find the current I sub SH is equal to 2 250 divided by 250 is equal to 1 ampere. And to find the current I sub A1 is equal to 25 minus 1, which is equal to 24 amperes. To find the voltage E sub BH is equal to 250 volts minus the arm drop minus the brush drop. So this is equals to 250 volts minus 24 times 0.02, which is the arm drop, and minus 2, which is the brush drop. So it's equal to 243.2 volts. And to find the current I sub A2 is equal to 50 amperes minus 1, so it's equal to 49 amps. And to find the voltage E sub B2 is equal to 250 minus 49 times 0.2 minus 2, which is equal to 238.2 volts. So N sub 2 over 1000, so it's equal to 238.2 minus 243.2 times phi sub 1 over 0.97 phi sub 1. So it's equal to 1010 RPM. So to find the torque T sub A1, so it's equal to 9.55 E sub B1 times I sub A1 over N sub 1 equals 9.55 times 243.2 times 24 divided by 1000, so it's equal to 55.7 Newton meter. And to find T sub A2, it's 9.55 times 238.2 times 49 over 1010 RPM. So it's equal to 110.4 RPM. So the second problem, a DC shunt motor supplied at 230 volts runs at 990 RPM. Calculate the resistance required in series with the armature circuit to reduce the speed to 500 RPM, assuming that the armature current is 25 amps. So this is the solution. It is assumed that the armature resistance is at 900 RPM equal to E sub B1 equals 230 equals K times 900, and at 500 RPM is E sub 2 is equal to K times 500. So therefore, in order to find E sub B2, you substitute this equation to K, so it's equal to E sub B2 equals E sub B1 times 500 over 900, so which is equal to 127.8 volts. And the difference between E sub B1 and E sub B2 must be the drop in the external resistance to be added to the armature circuit for the purpose of reducing the speed to 500 RPM. So it's E sub B1 minus E sub B2 is equal to 25 times R. So you already have the values of E sub B1, which is 230 volts, and E sub B2, which is 127.8 volts. So transpose uh, 25 to find R. So it's equal to R equals 230 minus 127.8 over 25. So it's equal to 4.088 ohms.